YouTube is full of videos of animal killers. It doesn't take long for your watch history to fill up with viral videos of animal predators. This got us to thinking, which animals have the strangest way of killing their prey? Strange may be a relative term, but to us, these are some of the most creative ways animals have of dispatching their future meal. Let's start with some of our highest flyers, golden eagles. Like a lot of other eagles, golden eagles mostly eat small mammals. However, these powerful hunters, native to much of the northern hemisphere, have been known to attack coyotes and even animals as large as deer. However, the size of their prey isn't what gets them on this list. The fact that there are videos floating around YouTube showing them picking up goats from the side of mountains, flying them away, and dropping them to kill them is what earned them their spot. This isn't an uncommon trick for large birds. The bearded vulture from the mountains of Asia and Europe does something very similar, but their dropping is mostly limited to tortoises, nothing like the goats of the golden eagle. Our next entry is much less aggressive, but still just as deadly. Everyone is familiar with the anglerfish by now, but did you know that there are over 200 different species of this patient predator? Whether it's the frogfish, which walks around the coral reefs of Australia, or those species that live at up to 16,000 feet in the ocean depths. They are all excellent ambush predators, and they lure their prey with appendages that look like prey. Whether it looks like a worm or a light, these predators are drawing in their prey on a regular basis. So let's look at that frogfish. They are some of the chameleons of the sea. Much like the chameleons and octopi, they have the ability to change color based on their background. Not only can they lure their prey in close, they are some of the fastest attackers in the animal kingdom. Scientists have recorded strikes as fast as 6 thousandths of a second. Next up, they're some of the most beautiful birds in the world, but they're also some of the most ruthless. The secretary bird. These predators may look like dancers with their long legs and might move like dancers. However, that dancing is deadly. These deadly predators kill many small prey animals just with their feet.
He's already dead.
They stomp everything from locusts and mice to snakes and small mammals. They've even been recorded killing cobras. That's right, this beautiful bird is a cobra killer. Lots of animals mimic sounds to draw in their prey, including the tiger. But one of the most interesting is the Margate. This moderately sized cat, native to Central and South America, commonly mimics the sounds of infants of their prey. For example, it's really common for the Margate to cry like infant monkeys, just to draw in the parents close enough for an attack. We've got another fish on the list. This time, it's the archer fish. These little fish are essentially a water gun in waiting. What they do is they wait close to the water surface, at least water with overhanging branches or grasses. Then, when they spot their prey on those overhanging limbs, they spit water at them, knocking them down, ready for consumption. One of the most sophisticated predators that come up with the most unique ways of attacking prey are dolphins, in particular, the bottlenose dolphin. A couple of the most unique predatory techniques that they have in their toolbox include whacking fish with their tails and picking them off when they're stunned. They've been seen blowing bubble rings. These bubble rings funnel their prey closer and closer before the strike. They've even been seen using a similar technique with a whirlpool of mud stirred up in shallows. For this, they stir up the silt on the ocean floor. They whip it around to disorient their prey, and then they either pick them off with their echolocation or they drive them to the surface. If they do drive them to the surface, fish will often jump out of the water to escape. But this just aids the dolphins. Usually they're there waiting with open mouths to catch the jumpers on their way back down to the water surface. What was your favorite strange predator? What did we miss? See you next time.